Well, good afternoon. It's about a little after 1 o'clock right now. Still got about 15 minutes to go. It's the 24th of May, a Friday. Just want to go over what's going on in the markets. We have agricultural markets right now that are all up. Now, some of these markets have been higher, but still are up pretty strong. It seems we put these government payments behind us and the waiting for that discussion, and now we're focusing on the weather. Remember, Monday we're closed. We've got a 3-day weekend here, and historically this is a time period when wild things could happen when we come back on Tuesday. The weather forecast among many private forecasters for rain in the Midwest is pretty high, carrying the chance of rain through a lot of the Midwest into June the 6th. Not a lot of that out in the news. We think that will come in with the forecast over the weekend, and we'll see if the market reacts to it come Monday night. So that's what we've got to look forward to. Look at the cotton, up 85 in July. It's trading right now at 68.33. It did get up to 68.59, so 26 points higher here about an hour and a half ago. December cotton up 76 at 67.59. The high is 67.73, low 66.60. Now looking at soybeans, we're up 8.5 in July at 8.30, a high of 8.31.5, a low of 8.20. November soybeans are up 8.25 at 8.56 and 3/4 to 8.57. We've sort of shifted somewhat in that there's been a great deal of concern that the rain would cause a shift over to planting soybeans. Well, now we're getting to the point where this rain could delay planting of soybeans and in doing so affect ultimate yields. I think that's the reason the bean market's up today. Corn up 12.5 right now in July at 402.25. We've got a high of 403, a low of 389 and 3/4. December corn is up 11 at 419. July wheat up 18 at 488.25, high of 489.5, low of 467.25. Crude oil is up 41 cents a barrel at 58.32. Dollar down 27. Gold down 1. Silver down 8. And looking at the Dow Jones right now, we're up 88 on the day. So remember, you're up here. We've had a good bounce in these markets. Some and most of the day seems to be focusing on weather. I think in cotton you're seeing short covering. You're still looking at a very heavy short position among speculators. They're getting nervous, buying back some of those contracts. Going into a 3-day weekend, we could come in here Tuesday and cotton could jump. So that's where we are. Have a good weekend. We'll see you first thing on Tuesday morning.